Hey all, hope you all liked our first part of dips. As we said earlier, we compiled the remaining dips in this video. If you haven't watched the first one yet, go check it out. Link is in the description box below. And for now, let's get started. To make Blackbean Salsa, which is another famous Mexican dip, we don't need to heat up anything. Just mix everything in a large mixing bowl. Here the list goes. Steamed sweet corn, soaked and cooked black beans, minced onion, thinly chopped tomatoes without seeds, minced chili, chopped coriander, lemon juice, ground pepper, salt, and give it a gentle mix. And that's it. If you got the beans ready on hand, it's super quick to put together on lazy days. Enjoy this protein and vitamin C rich salsa with chips or rotis. Next comes our white bean and caramelized onion dip. If you haven't tried caramelizing onions before, it's very easy. Take thinly sliced onions and fry them in the oil until golden brown. Make sure not to overcrowd them. Once your onions are ready and beans are cooked, let's put them all in the jar for blending. We'll go by adding caramelized onions, soaked and cooked beans, lemon juice, garlic cloves, salt, ground pepper, and cilantro, which is optional. Blend them smooth to make an interesting and creamy onion dip. Did you also know this dip is protein, manganese, phosphorus, and folate rich? Well, you know now. Why wait for the opportunity to make? Just grab the ingredients from the kitchen and make this nourishing spread. Next comes our hummus. Let's make a new version of hummus by adding variety of flavors to it. Let me show you how. To a blender jar, add cooked chickpeas, garlic, tahini, here comes the hero, roasted and peeled red pepper, lemon juice, dried basil, ground pepper, salt, and finally olive oil. Blend until smooth to get tasty protein-rich spread for your sandwich. On the bonus note, this dip is also rich in manganese, zinc, magnesium, folate, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. That's our second part of nourishing dips. Hope you all enjoyed them, and if you ever tried them, let us know which one is your favorite. And see you guys next week with another interesting video.